Today is April 21st, 2021, and this is the worst day to start a barn or a barndominium. I'll explain, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com. If you're interested in post-frame construction, then you've come to a good place. Why not subscribe, tap the bell, and join in on the conversation. When COVID-19 hit, many people were uncertain about what the future would hold, and manufacturers cut back production on wood, steel, insulation, and all kinds of products that go into pole barns. What happened was the unexpected. The demand actually increased, and we found ourselves in a situation where there's a lot more demand than there is supply, and prices have gotten crazy. I did an estimate 2 years ago on a barn, and the prices at today's cost are over $20,000 higher than they were in 2019. Build a barn today, it's actually going to be a losing proposition for you because prices will be coming down over a period of time. You certainly don't want to invest in a structure that's going to lose its value fairly quickly. I talked to a guy at a lumber desk and asked him when they thought prices would start coming down, and he estimated that it would begin coming down in the third quarter of 2021. If you're looking to build a barndominium or a post-frame structure of some sort, I suggest using the link at the end of this video to go on to the video that explains how to get free software and how to use it. I would put in the prices of put in the dimensions and the window openings and door openings of what you want to build. It'll give you a calculated price at today's cost, and then you can go back in there and reference the same building over and over again until the costs come down to where you think they're going to level out. The good news is that interest rates should stay relatively stable in that period of time, so if you're borrowing money, it shouldn't affect that cost.